What's up guys, Charles here, and real quick I want to show you how to set up the revolutions counter or Tach function on your hour meter. And this is something we get a lot of questions about, so I want to clarify some things. Now, not all hour meters are going to have this Tach or revolution counter function, but if it does, you need to get it set up for your 2-stroke or 4-stroke. Those settings are going to be different, and the reason for that is these meters get their signal from your spark plug wire or ignition coil, and your 2 strokes, you're going to have 1 spark per revolution of the crankshaft. The 4 strokes are going to have 1 spark every other revolution of the crankshaft. So when that's sending signal to the hour meter, it has to be at the correct setting to read the correct RPM. So we're going to show you how to do this on the Tach multifunction hour meter, but whatever meter you have, just reference the instructions that came with it. Now, to get our meter set up, what we're going to do is toggle through all the settings with this S button until we hit max RPM. This is just the max RPM of the last time the bike was started. Once you're to this screen, we're going to hit the M button, and the max RPM is going to be flashing in the upper left-hand corner. We'll hit it one more time, and that's going to give our RPM setting. So we're 1 pulse per 2 revolutions. That is the 4-stroke setting. If you need to change that, you hit this M button, hold it down for 2 seconds. The setting will flash, and you can toggle up or down with the M or S buttons. So if we go down, 1P, 1R, 1 pulse per revolution, that's your 2-stroke setting. We're going to go back to the 4-stroke setting. There are more settings on this multifunction meter, but these are the only 2 settings you need to worry about. Once you have it at the correct one, to finalize this, you're going to hit both buttons at the same time. That's going to lock that setting in place, and then you can just hit the S button, and that's going to bring you back to the main screen. And setting this up really is that simple. If you start the bike up and your RPM at idle matches the specified RPM in your service manual, you know you have the correct setting. If it's either double or 1/2 of that specified setting or specified RPM, then you know you need to go back in and make adjustments to your setting on your meter. Now, if you need one of these meters, be sure to get one on our website. And for more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.